Hi guys, so I went to the thrift store today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So let me show you guys that. The first item is just this skirt, and it's yeah, get out, Juju. And it just looks like this. Has a glitter, a little skirt underneath, and a little short. And this is in the size 10-12. So she's 8 and she's wearing 10-12. So this is what I got her. And this was $4.29, and I paid $2.50. Next up is just this black church pants for Jaxson. And we go to church on Saturdays, so I figured I would get him a pair of black church pants. And this is in size 6. And this was $2.29, and I paid $1.15. Next is a pink skirt for church for my daughter, or she could, dress this up for school. Put a tights under it or something, but it's just this pink skirt. It has another layer under it, and yeah, that just looks like that. And I believe this is in 10-12. This was $4.29, and I paid $2. And next up is just this pink jacket. It's kind of like I don't even know what the material is. But you guys can see it right there. And it just has 2 pockets on the front, a zipper, and it's nice and warm. And this is in the size 14, and it was $6.29, and I paid $3.15 for it. And this is the children's place. Next up is a pajama. So it has the bottom and the top. And I paid $3.15, and it is in size 10-12. So that's just the top, and then it has the bottom. Next up I got her just a little plain tights, just a plain gray tights, and this is in the size, there's no size on here. Oh no, that's not true. 10-12, and this was $2, and I paid $1. Next up is just this pink tights. It's kind of like a workout pants, and it's 10-12. It just looks like this. Next up is just this pink sweater with blue, green, and gray, and this was, hold on, this was $4.29, and it's in the size 10-12, and yeah, I paid $2 for this. Very pretty. Next up is this Aeropostale skirt. Sorry, paid $2.15, and this is in medium. Next up, I just got this shirt for myself, and this is $2.29, and I paid $1. It's mud extra large. So it just looks like that. It's very lightweight, you know, because the weather here has been kind of wonky. So that's that. And then look, guys, I got Madison this cute pair of shoes. These were originally $4.29 and I paid $2 for those. Next up, I got Destiny, because this is all Destiny. I got her this little skirt. It's still brand new. Tag is still on it. It's a size 14. And this is from Children's Place, because she has one just like this, but she outgrew it. So, and I like these little skirts to throw over her tights and stuff, because her dad and I always arguing about her wearing tights by themselves. So the skirts are good to throw over her tights. And then next up, I got her this little sweater. It's kind of like big and stuff, and she's a girly girl, so she loves to style her outfits, and she likes pieces like these. This is an Aeropostale, and it's in the size medium, and it was originally $6 and I paid $3 for it. So not bad. She can throw that on a nice cool day. And then next up, I got the big boys, Jason and Jordan. I got them because they can always share pants. They're the same size. So I got them these Dockers, and it doesn't have a size on here. It just says slim fit DI, but it didn't have a price on it. So the lady went up to the manager and asked them if she could sell it to me, because usually when it doesn't have a price, they don't sell it. And she was like $10, so I paid $5 for that. Usually I don't pay more than, you know, $3 for something, but hey, whatever. It's a nice pair of pants. And then up next is this sweater. It's a little sweater with a little hoodie on it, and it has a blue lining on the inside. And then this is in the size large, and this is a Abercrombie sweater, and I paid $2.15 for this. So it's nice. It's nice. And then up next is this sweater. It has a lot of hearts and, you know, little prints and stuff on there, and this was $6.29 and I paid $3.15 for it. And it just has I forgot what this is called, but it's nice and lined in the inside. And this is extra large, 14 to 16, so that she can, you know, layer it if she just want to wear this, you know. So that's that. And then next is a nice pair of white skirts, and it was $6.29, and it just has these details going down on the side, and it has a little belt right here, and then when you turn it over, there's the belt that ties in the front, little loops and stuff. It just looks like this, and this is in the size 4. So I think this is adult, but I grabbed it anyway because it looked like it could fit her. And this was $6.29 and I paid $3 for it. Next up is this skirt. I don't even know what brand that is. It won't even matter. This was $4.29 and I paid $2 for it. It's just a little brown cocky. Is that how you say it? Cocky. So it just looks like that. And this is a Circle brand, and it's in the size large 10-12. So that's that. And last but not least is this cute little jacket. Like when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I gotta get that for her, and it's just it was $6.29, and I paid $3, and it's a Arizona large jacket, so I got that for her. So yeah, that concludes the haul, guys. Is sleeping. Anyway, guys, that concludes the video. It was a quick little haul because I just ran into the Salvation Army real quick, and because Destiny's homesick. She has, I don't know, I think it's a stomach bug or something. So I don't know if you guys are gonna get a video for Friday, so I figure I would do this real quick. And if I don't get the vlog because she's sick, I don't know if I have to take her to the emergency room or what, but she doesn't feel good. She threw up twice today, and every time we give her the medicine, she keeps throwing it up back, so she's out there sleeping. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a vlog for Friday, so this will be your guys' Friday video. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Like is the same thing as thumbsing up your video, right? Whatever. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
What's the matter? Good morning. I have your food. Look at this. People, how? Maddie. How did this little girl here poop through her diaper? This is strange.